myself's just turned up. It's a patio peach tree crimson. So I've just had it soaking for about an hour and a half in water pots there. And fill this with a loamy compost. Put some pots underneath so it's got good drainage. And I filled bottom with bloodfish and bone mixed in. And then I put some root booster in, the oil. And I'll just give it a good spray with a light seaweed. And all the stems turning crimson and green, and it was all brown and horrible when it came, but since I've been spraying it with that, it's just going all green. So hopefully we'll get some leaves on that. You can see them now, buds opening. But honestly, it was dead an hour and a half ago. It was like that there. That is dead. But yeah, it's looking good. It's lovely and warm in here anyway with that heater. It's 20 degrees in here. Yeah, so yeah, that goes on an hour. Boom. Didn't expect that, did you? Now did I. Went in work at 1 o'clock this morning. And spur driver I was. So 6 o'clock, 6:30. But it's 7 o'clock, it's on my way home. So a bonus day off, so I won't waste it. So first job's kettle on. What a day. Wow, look at them carrots. I'm going to give them a little water on top, just till they get going. Then we'll start watering them from bottom. No, oh, peas have started, there you go. So I'll give them a water in a minute. They've started off, so belting. Ow. I think, by the looks of it, and they started putting some spuds in there. I don't know how it's closed that. Not no pests on spuds, will there? Yeah, he's put 3 rows in there. But I don't know what spuds he's used, I'll have to text him. So I'll finish them spuds off. Oh, good lads, he's been putting chicken manure in it all. Yeah, I'm gonna get all these planted up. I'll find out what they are. And how many he's put in each row. Morris Piper, it looks like. Yeah, because them's in up there. Them's not gone in yet. Yeah, Morris Piper is put in. So I'll finish them Morris Piper off. There you go, that's my bit of detective work. I'll get them spuds in, I'll give them a water. Because I'm going a bit dry. Just water them till they start popping through and then leave them alone then. The plant what looks after the self potatoes, you can overwater them, over egg them. This veggie's going on, oh, it's alright. A bit warm, windows open there now, this one should be opening a bit. I'll give these a good water, because it's going to be warm again today. So, got plenty to do, so I best crack on. I'm knocking and banging up there. All I'm doing, I'm digging a trench about a spade deep. And then at bottom of that hole, I'm going to go in with a bulb planter. Take that another bulb planter down, if it'll come out. Henry's pick was one. There you go. I'll drop some chicken manure in that, drop a bit of soil in, drop the spud back in. Bit of grass for a change, I'm puffing and sighing here. I'll just spread it right all. Put a bit of muck in. We'll get our spuds, hang on. Most important thing. I think 4 a row's enough. Whatever we've got left we'll give away. There you go, no ifs or buts, in it goes. Don't bother with the eyes up and legs down and all that rubbish, me. Just they'll come out where they are. Because I can't see farmers standing everyone up, can you? So I'll do them 4 and then fill that in and pile them up like Henry's done. So that's 4 in there, finally. Handful of chicken pellets. And then pile them up, and our kettle's boiling, so I'll have run. That's the only time you see me with muddy shoes on here. And I'm planting spuds. Right, I've got 9 rows in there. I was going to put another row there, but I put a little filling crop there, some beetroot or something. Or a spring onion, something like that. So I've got 9 rows. If we get £5 out of each row, so there's £40 of spuds there, isn't there? So that'll be okay. So this side's for them Charlottes. So all this brown paper, cardboard now can go at compost. I'm not down in the rest up there. And there's rebarb's coming up. Thought we'd move that. Must be done. That's got to take a bit of that bed up, innit? Yeah, I'll box that off. Right. That's 3 sets of spuds we've got in. We'll have that brew now, it should be cool. And then I'll crack on with something else. Why I'm having my brew. This here is a climbing hydrangea. Got a big white flower on it. But what I did, I trimmed it down at home and I pushed this in with some rooting powder on the light. Got some nice roots on it now coming out, and some little leaves, so I'm going to plant it outside of that arch there, and it can grow over there, that, because it's nice out when it grows. So I'll pop that in there in a minute. Hang on. Excuse me. That sneeze. Right, if you've got anything in pots, this weather, when it's not raining, it's got to be watered every day. Because if you've got anything in pots, it can't get its nutrients or water from anywhere else. It's like having a 3-year-old for 3 months. You've got to keep on top of them. So I've wet that through, and I've wet that through. I've used half a butt of water. I've just watered everything. Well, I've not watered them pots down there, sorry. But everything in pots, you need to water every day when it's not rained for a couple of days. Because it's not good, that. Spuds can't grow in no water, and they can't get water from anywhere else. Anyhow, that's that. So because these are spritted through now, I've took that glass off. It's there, Henry, watch it, don't trip on it. And I've put them on so mice can't get in, just on top. So they should come through alright now. So that's everything, had a good drink, all these pots. Them spuds there. So I've only got them pots of flowers over there, the Maris and that fig. And then, but they need watering every day. Every single day when it's not raining. Because they're only small pots then, they dry out in no time. Right, what am I on with next? Brew. I'll do us up here today. Because I'm knackered now doing all that water. I was going to get them first earlers in there, but Charlottes. But got less of them, and so one of them Charlottes go in there, and them other ones go at bottom one. King Eddie's now at bottom. because Henry's planted what I call it's there, stuck a, excuse me, a label on Morris Piper. I was going to put King Eddie's there, but that board there, I'm going to have to bring my screwdriver up and put a big screw in that this board out there where I've been standing on it. It's come away from the peg, can you see? So I need a big screw and pull it in. So I'll do that next time I'm on. I think it's Tuesday. What day is it today? Monday? Tuesday? Wednesday. I'll do that Wednesday and get them King Eddies in there. And we should get them in tomorrow. There's only a few put in there, 3 in each row. Just fill that bed. There's about 9 rows again, same. We can only fit 3 spuds in each of them rows. So, be nice and easy. Little dig down, drop them in. And we'll top that up with horse manure when they start growing. Right, I've watered them carrots top and bottom. I'll give them 3 tubs in each at the bottom and 2 on top, so they should be alright till tomorrow. And peas might want to water tomorrow. Henry can just water them through there to do, but they should be alright now with that glass off. Right, we'll see them plants are going on at home. See up there. Boom. Look at that. Shirley's there painting away. Yeah, coming on alright, these tomatoes now. Big pumpkin. Leafers are doing a bit. Cucumbers coming on. Oh, it'll be alright. A few more weeks in here yet. A couple of weeks. Oh, veggies looking okay. Beetroot, spring onion. That's some sweet peas I planted under there. These are all different ones again. I just brought a packet of lettuce seeds home. Webs, because they're good lettuce then. So I'll open a seed tray. Pop some of them up and then dip them in water somewhere. I'll get some of them potted up. So there you go. Only thinly spread, can you see them? A couple of sprinklefuls on. Got this here, if I just press them down. Just give them contact with that soil. Make sure they're not all over there. So now, I'll just get my sprinkler this compost. Some light one over the top. Must stick out some water. There's the stick them up there. Put that in there. Then we'll get a label and make it up. Yeah, I brought these from allotment, but they was out of a set of drawers. They're just right size for 2 of them. Because a black tray is too long. Just too long. So they're perfect, so I can keep them watered from bottom now. So, I don't know what, there's only 13 in here, because I've got door open. Got some to my solar panels. I'm building them up hot roof here. When I've got enough, we'll be off grid here too. I've got this big bag of stinks, blood fish and bone. From next door neighbour, who's cleaned this shed out. It's like rock solid and that, but it just needs banging about. I'm going to take that up allotment and spread it all over the beds, every bed, because there's a big bag there. So melting. Right. See you on Wednesday up allotment.